Cinder cones are small volcanoes built primarily of pyroclastic material ejected from a single vent. Their steep sloped angles, rather small in size, frequently occur in groups.
Here is an example of a cinder cone volcano.
Composite cones are volcanoes composed of both lava flows and pyroclastic material. Most are adjacent to the Pacific Ocean. Their large size, interbedded lavas, and pyroclastics, most violent type of activity.
Here's an example of a composite volcano.
And finally, the shield volcano, a broad, gently sloping volcano built from fluid basaltic lavas.
Here's an example of a shield volcano.
And we're about to show you a real life example of that.
Okay, what we did to make an example is fill up a bottle with warm water, then add some food coloring, red and yellow, to make it orange lava. Then we add some dishwasher detergent and some baking soda. Now I'm going to add some vinegar to show you an example of a shield volcano explosion. Woo! Look at it go. And that is your example of a shield volcano.